Ladies and gentlemen, gather around as I share some insights on the never-ending holiday shopping frenzy that affects millions of Americans, especially during the busiest season of the year, Christmas. Picture this, it's the week before Christmas and you've got your shopping list ready. But there are just so many amazing deals on Amazon that it can be challenging to decide what to buy. You check your bank account and oh boy, it's time to print out that second bill. Before you know it, the holiday rush has arrived and you find yourself in a place where shopping is more about hustling to make up for lost time than truly experiencing the joy of the season. And let's not forget the financial strain this can bring. One survey revealed that approximately 50% of American families experience financial stress due to holiday shopping expenses. This can lead to debt, financial instability, and even feelings of despair as you scramble to make ends meet. Plus, we all know that these gifts ain't cheap now, of days with interest rates rising higher than Big Mama's blood pressure. But what is the true spirit of Christmas if not the joy and warmth that we share with our loved ones? And I'm not talking about your family group chat with Merry Christmas fam. While it's true that indulging in indulgent treats and luxurious experiences can make the season even more magical, spending time with family and friends is truly the heart and soul of the holiday experience. So, this holiday season, let's remember to prioritize the relationships that matter most in our lives. Embrace the stress and excitement of the season, but don't let it consume you. Make time for the people who truly enrich your life. And remember that financial challenges can be overcome, or at least should be, with love, laughter, and the memory of the moments you've spent with those you hold dear. Merry Christmas, everyone!